Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you 3 amazing products from Xiaomi's Real Choice gift box. I'll be showing you the Xiaomi AIR3SE headphones, and I'll give you all the details, including the price and whether it's worth it. So, let's get started. This is the Xiaomi AIR3SE gift box. It's basically a collection of Xiaomi's best products, and it's a great value for the price. At present, this product may not be available outside of China, but we still have a few sets that are directly pulled to the port. Let me show you what's inside. As you can see, it's all original and includes a headset, manual, and charging cable. And inside this little bag, we have the headphones themselves. So, let's take a look at the appearance of these headphones. They're really small and lightweight, making them very practical for everyday use. And check out this magnetic effect, it's really strong. Now, let's talk about the performance of these headphones. They're Bluetooth 5.0 and 4.0 compatible, and they support touch control. The official introduction is that they have an app, but we just verified that it's almost useless. So, it's no problem to use them as an ordinary Bluetooth headset. And another great feature of these headphones is their waterproof level. They have an IP54 rating, which means they can withstand splashes and rain. This is really convenient for people who love music and exercise outdoors. So, how much does this gift box cost? At present, the price is around 599 yuan, which is quite affordable considering the quality and features of these headphones. For comparison, if you buy these headphones separately in a music hall or store, they might cost around 200 to 300 yuan each. That's it for today's review. I hope you found this helpful in deciding whether or not to buy these headphones. Let me know in the comments below what you think about them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.